Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we are going over the best fight sticks of the month for September of 2020. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, I had a really hard time picking out fight sticks this month. There were a lot of really good fight sticks, and I said last month that I would only commit to picking 5. So without further delay, here are my top picks for September of 2020. Now coming in 5th place is this cheat stick or cheat box. It's a little bit of a hitbox, it's a little bit of a fight stick, it's a little bit of both. This one is from Lord Rasmir and I love it. The artwork on this stick is minimalistic but really loud as well. I really like it. And I like the attention to detail here. The red cable, the button colors, the little American flag on the ball top there. It's really nice. I did notice though that there is no dust washer on there, and I don't know if that is by design or maybe they just forgot to put it on for the picture, but overall this stick couldn't be better timed considering the release of the MVSX. In 4th place we have a Boxer or Balrog or M. Bison, I guess depending on which Street Fighter you play, themed hitbox. This one looks really neat. The overall design and layout of this stick is really nice. I like the choice of button colors, I like the artwork, but most importantly, I like what's underneath. On the underside of the fight stick is some more artwork as well as some incredibly clean wiring. I like the design choice here of placing the artwork on the underside of the top panel and keeping everything else clear so you get a nice pretty view. In 3rd place, we have Artorias Akai's Shadow Cross-Up Mix Box. Artorias makes some incredible fight sticks, and this one is no exception. The level of detail that goes into Artorias' sticks is incredible. You can even see here from the custom keycaps all the way to the custom artwork inside of all of the 50 million buttons. The level of detail continues on inside of the fight sticks. You can see how clean this wiring is. With all of the LEDs and all of the effects that Artorias has in their sticks, wiring could get very messy very quickly, and they do a great job at making everything look nice and tidy and actually really cool. And I can also see a Brook wireless board mounted in there. So here is a quick peek of the LED effects on this stick. This stick overall is just beautiful. And now in 2nd place, we have this Buffy Bomber. When talented people come together, good things happen, and that's exactly what's happened here. This is a collaboration of sorts, I guess you could call it, between JXK Designs and Buttercade. One of the trademarks or signatures of JXK Designs is how loud and bold their artwork is, and you can definitely see that here. On a side note, I really like how this picture was staged. Now, when this stick is plugged in, the LED effects is something you don't see very often. It's kind of hidden when the stick is off, but when the stick is turned on, you can see the pentagram. Now, before I get into the winner of the month, I do want to take a moment to go over some honorable mentions. First and foremost is this fight stick by Eastern Slide. This stick has a very touching story behind it, and I will leave a link in the description below, and I do recommend checking it out. This stick was gifted to Eastern Slide by their late grandfather, and in memory of their grandfather, they dedicated the artwork and the button inlays to them. Next up, we have a really cool and complicated looking custom arcade stick that a father made for their daughter to allow her to play Zelda Breath of the Wild. This goes to show how a little ingenuity can bring a lot of joy, and the overall customization of fight sticks and arcade sticks to go outside of fighting and arcade games. And now for Fight Stick of the Month, we have 3 different fight sticks that are in a 3-way tie, all made by the same person. First up, we have this handcrafted Geef stick that contains no dyes or stains. This is all natural color of the wood. I think it's safe to say that there was a high level of effort, creativity, and talent that went into creating this stick. On the inside of the stick, the wiring isn't all that bad either. The second stick in the 3-way tie is this really cool looking Darkwing Duck stick. I haven't seen Darkwing Duck in a long time, and this brought back a lot of memories. And the third stick in the 3-way tie, and my personal favorite out of the 3, is this Ken Masters Third Strike stick made by the same person. Just like the Geef stick, all of the coloring here is the natural wood. There were no stains or dyes added. All 3 of these sticks look absolutely incredible, and if I owned one, I would actually be scared to use it because it's so nice. This to me is more of a display piece than a functional fight stick. But not joking, I am completely blown away with the overall craftsmanship of all 3 of these sticks. It was incredibly hard to choose 5 winners for this month. A lot of people posted a lot of great shots of their fight sticks. I was really surprised with how many great fight sticks there were this month. I took a lot of time narrowing down to my 5 top ones, and I even cheated by having a 3-way tie for first place. Anyways, that is all I've got for today. Let me know what your thoughts are about my top 5 fight sticks for this month in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.